This dance is called You're Some Girl. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, beginner level line dance. Starting off on the right foot with a jazz box with a cross. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step back on the left, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. Point the right out to the side, cross the right over the left. Point the left to the side, cross the left over the right. Now set of steps once more then, jazz box with a cross, off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, side, cross, point, cross, point, cross. Add on a rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. That is your rocking chair. Remember, with these rocking chairs, your rocking foot, in this case the right one, has to move from the front to the back, and your weight has to return onto that pivot foot, in this case the left. We're going to add on a couple of step pivots. So we're going to step forward on the right, pivot ourselves, quarter of a turn to the left. So you should now be facing the left-hand wall in 9 o'clock. And repeat. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself, quarter of a turn to the left. You should now be facing the back wall. That set of steps once more then. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8. Rocking chair. Step, pivot, step, pivot. Let's put those two sections together. Jazz box with that cross off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, side, cross, point, cross, point, cross. Rocking chair, step, pivot, step, pivot. Add on a little weave. So we're going to weave to the left, starting with the right foot. So cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, point the left to the side. We're going to repeat that with the left foot leading. So we're going to weave to the right, starting off with the left, cross the left over the right, step the right to the side, cross the left behind, point the right to the side. That set of steps once more then, weaving to the left, right foot leads. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, point. Let's add that to the top. Jazz box off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, side, cross, point, cross, point, cross. Rocking chair, step, pivot, step, pivot. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, point. Now we're going to finish the dance with a couple of jazz boxes, but we're going to kick at the end of them. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step back on the left, step the right to the side, then kick the left. Now you will automatically find that you will kick slightly across the right, which is good because you now need to go into another jazz box because we're in the kick position, you're leading off with the left foot. So the left is going to cross over the right, step back on the right, step the left to the side, kick that right. So again, you will naturally find you will kick the right over the left because when you start the dance, you're going into that jazz box to start with, crossing the right over the left. So that set of steps once more then, those jazz boxes with those kicks. Off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, side, kick, cross, back, side, kick. That is the end of the dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Jazz box, off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, side, cross, point, cross, point, cross. Rocking chair, step, pivot, step, pivot. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, point. Cross, back, side, kick, cross, back, side, kick. Now remember, these kicks don't have to be very high, they're just little low kicks. So that is your dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. And when we get back to that front wall, I'm just going to speed it up just a little bit. The music is just a little bit faster than we walked it through. Here we go, jazz box off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, side, cross, point, cross, point, cross. Rocking chair, step, pivot, step, pivot. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, point. Cross, back, side, kick, cross, back, side, kick. Cross, back, side, cross, point, cross, point, cross. Rocking chair, step, pivot, step, pivot. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, point. Cross, back, side, kick, cross, back, side, kick. So hopefully you managed to follow that. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music.
managed that one.